Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we'll learn that how you can get data from URL into Power BI. Okay, this is very important because when you working for any industry, so you have to load data in Power BI from many sources like web scraping, by through API and through URL or anything. Today we'll learn how you can import data into Power BI through URL. Okay, so because when you mainly, like, if you're going to make a project like your own project, portfolio projects, so if you fetch data from URL, you don't need to load data from your local system. You can easily load data from online. So in this video we'll see this how you can do this. First you have to, like, we'll tell you this, my data is in the GitHub. Okay, this is my data, flight dataset.csv. So this is data is about flight, and this is the GitHub. You can load the data in GitHub and you can access it. So I just click on the dataset, and you have to click raw file, not copy, and raw, and this is the URL. So you have to just copy the URL, copy it, and this is my total data, raw data, and just go to Power BI, click black report, and more, search Python. So you have to do this through Python. So we need Python. So make sure that you have connect Python to Power BI, then it is possible, otherwise it is not possible. If you don't know how to connect Python to Power BI, I made a video, so you can just go and check it out. And then first you have to connect to Python to Power BI, then you can do this. So just select Python and then connect. Just write, you have to write your code. Okay, I just import pandas. So I need pandas to import data to URL. I need just import pandas as pd, and we just CSV file. We read the CSV file. So read underscore pd dot read underscore CSV. You have to just paste the URL over here. I just paste the, and I just print df. So just click OK. Just click OK and let me see it is import or not. So let's see, it is done. This is my data. My data is about Indian Airlines. Okay, so just click load, and it will load to Power BI. So let's wait for loading and then see it will load or not. 10,000 rows I said before, and if you go over here, this is my data, it is loaded successfully. So this is how you can load data into Power BI from any URL. Okay, I use here from GitHub, so you can use any other URL also. You can load it at the server and you can paste this way. This I saw in the URL GitHub. You can use it anything, any URL. Okay, so this is how you can load data from Power BI to URL to Power BI. This is very important video. If you like this video and if you want to watch this kind of video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.